The question is this: how many times can I undo sending a message in Gmail? Let me explain what this is and then give you some ideas of the answer to this question. First of all, what it is this. It's under settings. See all settings. There's an undo send option. Basically, it's the cancellation period. I can set it for 10 seconds. I can set it for 30 seconds. So basically what that means is for 30 seconds, the message sits in drafts before it goes and gets sent. And during that 30-second period, you have the ability to click undo. Now, let me show you how it works. I'm going to actually put it back to 10 because I don't need 30 seconds for this test. And if I change it, I need to come down here. I don't need to hit save. Let's go back to inbox. Now I'm going to send a message. I'm going to send a message to my buddy, Teddy Burris, which is me on my business. And I'm going to do testing, undo, sent messages. And this is a test. Now, watch here. Watch what happens when I hit send. Bottom left-hand corner, undo. It basically brings the draft to back up every time I hit undo. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each time I'm hitting undo, 8. It brings it back up. I hit send. Undo 9, 10. There is I do not believe there is a limit. This is just I'm in a loop within my own browser. Has nothing to do with the server at this point. I hit send. Within the browser, I have the ability to undo it within 10 seconds. I hit undo and it brings it back up. It does not count. The system does not count how many times you do it. I can hit send again. I can hit undo. I'm pretty sure for as long as I stay fickle about sending that message. So what I would encourage you to do is make sure you're sending the message you want to send when you send it. And probably the only reason you really need to hit undo is you realize maybe you sent it to the wrong person or you had an ugly typo, and that's the value and the benefit of undo. The answer to the question, I don't know. Probably an unlimited amount of time, depending upon how much patience you had to sit there to figure out that answer. I'm Teddy, your Gmail and Google Workspace dude. I hope this is helpful for somebody.